Swimming in Success, Navigating Through the Sea of Achievements. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and vivid English expression, swimming in success. This metaphorical phrase is not just about swimming or success individually, but it paints a picture of overwhelming achievement. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. The phrase, swimming in success, is a metaphor that suggests someone is experiencing a lot of success, to the point where they are metaphorically immersed in it. Just like swimming in a pool means you are surrounded by water on all sides, swimming in success implies that a person's achievements and successes are all-encompassing, surrounding them completely. This expression is often used to describe a person, business, or organization that is enjoying a period of great prosperity, achievement, or profit. It can be applied in various contexts, from personal achievements such as academic or sports victories, to professional successes like business growth or career advancement. In sentences, it can be used like, after the release of their latest product, the company is now swimming in success. She has been swimming in success ever since she won the national championship. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples in different contexts. Personal achievement. John has been swimming in success after his novel became a bestseller. Interviews, book signings, and positive reviews have filled his days. Business growth. The tech startup, once a small team of 5, is now swimming in success, with a valuation in the billions and a global presence. Academic field. Graduating top of her class and receiving multiple job offers, Maria is truly swimming in success. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like swimming in success is crucial for English learners. It not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you comprehend the nuances of English, allowing for more effective communication. These expressions add color and depth to your language skills, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase, swimming in success, confidently. English is filled with such vivid expressions that can add flair to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to immerse yourself in the sea of English language learning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you swim in success with your English journey.